Obviously, we need a lot of things to improve. We played very good this first half, and then in the second half, we lose the control a little bit. They press us a little bit higher, and we played too many long balls for me. I don't like to play long balls because it's 50-50 ball. So, but I'm happy because it's very short time. We just worked 2 days, so I think it's a good way to start with a win, and it's more easier to work. So, yeah, we need to keep playing 90 minutes in the same intensity, and we separate a little bit in the second half, big distance, and that's not what how we want to play. So I think it's important. The first half we play good, and then because it's 3-0, I know that the players they tend to relax a little bit, and then they play the way how they played before. So I think it's a good step. It's a good start. We can play together. We can be much more compact than we were before. So I think it's positive for us. Yeah, but we have to try. But it's not easy because the pitch is not the very best. The pitch is not very playable. So it's the other side is also very difficult for them, especially if they press you high, if they press you strong, then it's not easy to play if the pitch is not very good. So I think we need to improve also some facilities here. So to improve also the football. We will try to play how we played the first half. We have to continue play like that sometimes, but it's not easy because the pitch is not helping. Yeah, it's something similar. Not yet, because we need time to improve a lot of things. In football it's step by step. You cannot improve in 2 days many things. So but I'm happy how we played today, especially the first half.